Good afternoon, everybody. This is Christina Maddox with Heaven Sent Wedding Consultants and Travel Agency. I'm here checked in at TRS, and I wanted to show you what the swim up accommodations are here at the TRS suite. So the TRS has actually celebrated my birthday for me. I thought this was so sweet that they did this. And that's the room that I'm staying in. So, this is if you're ordering a room service and you have your privacy on your door here, then they will bring your meals here. They'll put your meals here for you to pick up. And they'll knock on the door and they'll say, room service. This is your coffee and service here. You have a wine fridge, and then you have your mini fridge that is actually stocked, and they will replenish every day. Okay? Moving on, you have your closet here with your robes and your slippers and an umbrella in case it rains. You also have your safe here, a scale if you need it, a blow dryer, and a steamer. Ample enough hangers. And here is your bathroom area. Dual sinks here. As you can see, they work. These are the products here that they use at TRS. The sinks do work. You have your makeup mirror there. This is your shower, your TRS towel there, and those are your shampoo, your conditioner, and your body gel, shower gel. Right? You have your toilet here area. So this is your bathroom area. Okay? Now, they also have a jacuzzi tub. They have the TRS towels that's there. Okay? And then, as you can see, they have the king size bed. They also have your television here. You have a lamp there. And in addition to that, they have espresso. So you can open this, and this is the espresso flavors that they have. So if you want an espresso, they have it here for you. This is your king size bed. They have a full-length mirror here. So that's what your room looks like there, right? And they surprised me for my birthday and just gave me a little birthday cake surprise with some champagne. And this is a swim-up suite. As you can see, the TRS logo, as I open it up, this is the swim-up suite. Right? So you have your little patio chairs here. Right, you have an area. If you have wet clothes, you can hang your wet clothes there. Close it if you don't need it. This is your patio area here. And then this is for all the swim ups area. Just a separate oasis here. Just a separate oasis. Isn't this gorgeous, guys? So this is TRS. And this is the swim up. So you sit right down. You can be right here on your patio and go right into the pool. So I'm going to step down and show you the area. Look how long that is. Isn't this gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. And the swim up goes all the way down there. Just a private area. It's very serene, very quiet. If you want it quiet and peace, this is the area. Beautiful. Back on the patio. You see here TRS. And when you have the sliding glass doors open, the air conditioner cuts off. So you have a sitting area here. And so this is the room, guys. Look how gorgeous this is. Very spacious. Just giving you a once over. If you like these accommodations, reach out to Heaven Sent Travel Agency. I'm on Facebook, facebook.heavensenttravelagency, and you can call me if you want to book this, 267-334-0301. This is Christina Maddox with Heaven Sent Wedding Consultants and Travel Agency here at TRS in Punta Cana. If you want to book this resort, give me a call, 267-334-0301. I'll also post this video on my Instagram page, my Heaven Sent page, as well as the pictures as well. Bye guys, I'll be here for a few days enjoying all this lusciousness. Have a blessed day.